Are you looking for the best phone gimbal stabilizers? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best phone gimbal stabilizers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 with Extendable Selfie Stick. We start this list with one of the best-known brands in the gimbal market, DJI. Our overall best from this brand is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, with its incredibly lightweight design and user-friendly interface. Simply unfold and snap your smartphone on it to begin shooting. The Osmo Mobile 6 has a built-in extension rod, which you can use to capture the ideal selfie and include more people in your photo. It also includes smart features like shooting guides, one-tap video editing, and an M button that allows you to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting modes easily. One main downfall of this gimbal is that Android users find it difficult to download the app, because it is unavailable on the Google Play Store for unclear reasons. Hence, we recommend it to iPhone users. Number 2. Insta360 Flow. Are you looking for a long-life battery product that is portable, AI-powered, and compatible with both Android phones and iPhones? The Insta360 Flow gimbal stabilizer ticks all those boxes. Despite its compact size, the Flow boasts a large 2,900 mAh battery, ensuring that you can record all day. Its 3-axis stabilization keeps your camera steady, and the built-in tripod provides added stability. The Insta360 app offers detailed tutorials and extensive editing capabilities, making it easy to trim, sequence, and post your videos. Number 3. DJI Osmo Mobile SE Intelligent Gimbal. The DJI Osmo Mobile SE Intelligent Gimbal is designed for comfort during extended use. It features an ergonomic and stain-resistant grip, allowing for comfortable all-day shooting. The gimbal is lightweight and functional, making it easy to carry around and use on the go. One of the standout features of the DJI Osmo Mobile SE is its Active Track 6.0, which enables you to capture the moments of your family, pets, and even yourself without anybody's help. It also has a magnetic quick-release design, which makes it easy to attach and detach your phone from the gimbal. This feature allows for quick transitions between shooting modes and makes it convenient to switch between different devices. Number 4. NEEWER Upgraded Phone Rig Vlogging Kit. The NEEWER Universal Phone Rig will outweigh your expectations. It's also budget-friendly. This upgraded and enhanced phone cage rig by NEEWER can be adjusted from 2.2 to 5.6 cm to 10.16 cm. And features an anti-drop phone holder for compatibility with most smartphones. Its ergonomic handles are easily adjustable and the foam coating ensures you get the best grip and stability possible. The cage also comes with plenty of accessory mounts and a convenient slot for clipping a wireless microphone transmitter. This NEEWER phone cage is super versatile. You can connect it to tripods, desktop tripods, monopods, and hand grips in both vertical and horizontal positions. Number 5. SmallRig Universal Phone Video Rig Kit. The SmallRig Phone Video Rig Kit is a comprehensive solution for vlogging and live streaming. It includes everything you need to create awesome content: a universal phone cage, 2 side handles for easy grip, a handy desktop tripod, a mini LED light to brighten up your videos, a microphone for crystal clear audio, a power bank holder to keep your phone charged, a cold shoe mount for additional accessories, and 2 cables for seamless connectivity. You'll also love the microphone's cardioid pattern. It's fantastic at capturing sound while minimizing background noise. The kit also provides various mounting options, such as cold shoe mounts, which make it super convenient to attach and combine accessories. Number 6. AOCHUAN 3-Axis Smartphone Stabilizer. The AOCHUAN 3-Axis Smartphone Stabilizer excels in portability and budget-friendliness. This palm-sized 3-axis foldable gimbal weighs just 354 grams, making it incredibly compact and easy to carry. If you like vlogging, live streaming, taking selfies while hiking or doing other sports activities, then this gimbal is what you need. On the downside, this gimbal's battery power will only last up 10 hours. But it makes up for this with its impressive portability and ease of use. The AOCHUAN 3-axis smartphone stabilizer is a great choice if you want to prioritize convenience and compactness, without compromising stabilization performance. Number 7. Fantaseal 3-shoe DSLR/mirrorless phone stabilizer. A product highly rated by vloggers and professionals, the Fantaseal 3-shoe is a third-generation stabilizer compatible with mirrorless action cameras, smartphones, and even GoPros. It features a professional stabilizing grip that allows you to film outdoor sports activities like skiing, surfing, skateboarding, and auto racing with your camera held low. Aside from providing a unique filming perspective, the grip will also help to steady your shots. The two-hand holder design enables you to carry heavier DSLR cameras, allowing you to shoot more steadily. This gimbal is ideal for shooting extreme sports, outdoor and indoor photography, and vacation videos.